Ladies and gentlemen, the grand final. It's SA Gardens versus Pakistan Wabda. Obviously, will be winner will be crowned champion of the National Challenge Cup. Here's Fahad on the ball. Goes inside. Try to set up Murtaza, but well intercepted from Umar Hayat. के hero भी थे for SA Gardens. Gives it out wide to Junaid Shah, who's well pressed by Umar Hayat. Both obviously play for the Pakistan national team. Good turn here from Fahad, but well defended from Adnan Saeed. Shaikh shoots. Here's a chance for Alamgir, and there it is. It's Yusuf. Yusuf with a brilliant strike in the top left corner, and with that, Pakistan Wabda have a 1-0 lead over SA Gardens. Brilliant strike from Yusuf in the top right corner. Pakistan Wabda in the lead thanks to Yusuf's brilliant strike. Number 14, Yusuf, with a brilliant strike right on the edge of the D, gives Pakistan Wabda the lead in this all-important final. That was a tame free kick for Murtaza. Junaid Shah recycles and puts the ball in. Well defended from thanks to Yusuf's goal. Samnan cuts inside, but Khurram का एक और अच्छा defensive tackle. SA Gardens have slowly marked a little bit of control in the game. Ever since going a goal down, they've moved the ball around quickly, but they're still searching for that first goal. We scored that all-important penalty. That's well defended by Bakht. The first half. What a brilliant find that is towards Samnan. Tawqir has been absolutely phenomenal. That's a brilliant ball, but Roger Falcon just couldn't connect. The ball is still with SA Gardens. Fahad on the ball, shoots, but that's wide. A brilliant move. Taking his time on the free kick. The ref has been instrumental in today's game. He's got all his decisions right and has managed to keep the game flowing at all occasions. There's Jerry on the ball. That's well defended by Fahad. And currently he's not happy with what he's seeing. And there it is. The first half ends. Pakistan Wabda lead SA Gardens by a goal to nil. He hasn't managed to find the net. No changes for both this, but there is one change for SA Gardens. Gives it to Murtaza. That was a brilliant tackle from Adnan Saeed. Ball now with Yusuf. Sets it for Khurram. Here's Tawqir on the ball. That's well won by Junaid Shah, but defended from Adnan Saeed. Gives it to Fahad. Fahad out wide to Junaid. Junaid with the first time ball in towards Murtuza. And Murtuza just couldn't connect. And the ball ends up in the hands of Hassan. What a chance that was for SA Gardens. Junaid with the first time ball in to Murtuza Hussain, who stretched to get a connection on the ball, but it just wasn't enough, and the ball lands safely in Hassan. Junaid Shah out wide to Fahad. Back with Junaid Shah, who puts in a first time cross. But Alamgir is there to clear. Tawqir has been amazing for... And the shot from Tawqir, but that's straight at Hassan. Tawqir has been the player to watch out for SA Gardens. More and more time to find that equalizer. And Sufyan. Here's Junaid Shah on the ball. Gives it out wide. And a well defended by Omar Hayat. Well defended by Omar Hayat yet again. He's been instrumental for Wabda so far. Here's Omar Sadozai. Out wide towards Murtaza Hussain. That's a good ball out wide by Murtaza. And the shot comes in, and that's just over the... Ball out wide now with Junaid Shah. Goes inside one, gives it back to Tawqir. Tawqir now looking to change sides. Omar Sadozai with a good switch out wide to Fahad. And a throw in for SA Gardens. Khurram does manage to clear. It looked like he took ages to get Pakistan Wabda. The ball in towards Murtuza, who chests it down and shoots. And that goes just wide. Murtuza